Hey everybody, welcome back to the Court of Random Opinion. My name is Neidigh. As most of you guys probably know, Justin Baldoni and the Wayfarer parties were expected to file their second amended complaint against Blake Lively tonight. The deadline for that was midnight Eastern time, which was about half an hour ago now. Unfortunately, it looks like they've opted not to amend their complaint. I wanted to wait a little bit, see if maybe it just didn't hit the docket right away, but those things usually show up right on time when people file them, and unfortunately there's nothing in sight. So, Brian Friedman, the lead attorney for Justin and the Wayfarer parties, had made it sound like they were definitely going to amend some of those claims. The judge had thrown out some of their larger claims like defamation and civil extortion, but it certainly seemed like they were going to try to amend those remaining complaints that were dismissed without prejudice. You guys know I'm not a lawyer. We've heard lots of lawyers, lots of law tubers talk about all this stuff, and I think most people were expecting them to amend, so it's kind of strange. I've heard at least one person say they didn't think that they could both amend and appeal, so I don't know if that played a factor into it at all. Because if they're going to appeal the judge's decision to throw out those other claims, then maybe they couldn't do both, but I couldn't really tell you for sure. I just wanted to come in and give you a quick update tonight, and those are the only things that I could think of as to why they may not have filed. So, no matter what, Justin is still going to have to defend himself against Blake's flimsy sexual harassment complaints, and I have faith that the evidence is going to shake out in his favor. I really don't think that he did what he's accused of, and that's why I feel so much for these people, and I believe that they deserve justice. Everyone that I've spoken to who knows Justin, who worked with Justin, has said such amazing things about him, and I feel like he deserves so much better than what he's going through right now. So do the rest of the Wayfarer parties, and so do their families. So I know this is a really difficult time for them right now. Today was also the scheduled day of deposition for Blake Lively. No word yet on whether or not she showed up for that. I haven't seen anything anywhere, but these things are not usually public knowledge, so I'm not really surprised. As you guys can see, I'm still not at home. I'm going to be traveling around the state a lot this week and next. I will be putting up a lot more short form updates. I'm going to do that here on Instagram at LethalLauren904. So if you want to give me a follow there, that would help me out. Other than that, I don't really know what to tell you tonight. I mean, this is obviously not the outcome I think a lot of people were expecting, but it is what it is. I don't know what's going through these lawyers' heads, you know? So maybe they have a good reason for doing things the way they did it. There's a lot of legal stuff I don't understand. So we'll have to talk about that soon. Tomorrow, probably, I'll check in. But I do have to get out of bed in a few hours, so I need to go crash. Thanks everybody for watching. I appreciate the support. Sending all my positive energy and love to Justin and his family and the Wayfarer parties, and I will see you all soon.